In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tool you can use to get keyword search volume, as well as some additional information when you're doing keyword research. All right, so the tool is called Keywords Everywhere. You just go to keywordseverywhere.com and you can click the install for Chrome or install for Firefox, and it installs a browser extension. So in Google Chrome, it adds the little K, that's a red K with a black dark colored background. And this is the Keywords Everywhere extension up here in the Google Chrome toolbar. All right, so let's say I headed out onto Google and I'm a real estate agent trying to do some keyword research and I want to target home sellers. So I type in home selling tips as my starting keyword phrase to get some initial ideas and search volume. So with the Keywords Everywhere plugin, it's going to install these little boxes over here to the right hand side of the page. And you can see they give different suggestions of related keywords. And there's also the export to Excel file button. So they're going to export it as a CSV file in Excel, which is also handy. You can quickly just, download this entire list rather than trying to write down these keywords yourself. So we can see related keywords like home buying tips, how to get your house ready to sell. It tells how much search volume, so 1,000 searches a month. And then if you're trying to target it for ads, if you want to run, paid ads to make sure that you're showing up first, above all the organic search results by running Google Ads, you get the cost per click projections as well as competition. So right now, a lot of real estate websites and real estate agents are competing for these keywords, and they're spending a lot of money per click. These are very high cost per click amounts. So these also must be keywords that tend to turn into customers. Usually you notice when the cost per click is really high, that indicates that people found these keywords to be profitable. If they're running ads paying that much money for one click, then they must be able to convert those clicks into customers and must be able to make a profit. So that's another way to judge, cost per click. If you see something's really low, like 10 cents, 15 cents a click, that might be a keyword not a lot of people are targeting, which could be good or bad. Bad in the sense that people have found that it doesn't convert very well to customers, and that's why there's not much competition, but also it could be good because maybe it's an undiscovered keyword not a lot of people are know about or are trying to go after, that you might find gets you traffic and that turns into customers. So that's a little bit about keywords, cost per clicks, but the main thing is just looking up the search volume. You can quickly get related keywords, you can get their volumes. You can also, start typing in keywords into the Google search bar, and when you start typing them in, you're going to get different suggestions from Google, and then you can type those ones in or you can click on them, and then it's just going to repopulate the page. So you can see what search results come up, what websites are currently ranking for those keywords, and then again you can get more related keywords over here. They also have the people also search for box here, so we can see other ideas as well. These are going to be less competitive when you see that the volume is really low. So 40 searches a month, 90 searches a month. So these ones you could go after. You can see cost per clicks have pretty much dropped down to 0. Meaning that not a lot of people are targeting these keywords on paid advertising campaigns either. So there's less competition if you're going to try to pay for clicks for these keywords. Additionally, down here at the bottom of the page, you can get some more keyword ideas and some of their search volumes right here. So overall, that's just the basics of the Keywords Everywhere extension you can install. It's a quick way to get some keyword ideas as well as keyword volumes for what you're typing in out on Google. If we click into the web page, one other thing you can do is actually analyze an article, checking it out, seeing what they wrote about, what their topics were, what their subheadings were. So you can kind of get an idea of similar content to try to create, since this is already a proven article that's ranking #1 on Google. We can also click the Keyword Everywhere extension up here, and we can test out these different options up here. So we can import our own keywords if we want to get keyword data and volume. We can set up our own list of keywords. We can also click Analyze Page to analyze the current page, and then we've got stats. All right, so that wraps up this video today on the Keywords Everywhere extension. You can go to their website and learn more about it as well, but it's basically just to get search volume, cost per click data, and AdWords competition, and then as well as some keyword suggestions, so that when you're out on Google, you get all this data quickly, and you can type in a bunch of different keywords doing different research. Yo, check this out. So if you type in asknickfoy.teachable.com, asknickfoy.teachable.com, when you hit enter, it's going to open up my resource library. So I've been working on tons of training video modules, and I put them together in these different courses. And you can go over here to asknickfoy.teachable.com and you can learn how to start a website that makes money. So this is called Profitable Blogger. You can also learn how to make money from social media like Pinterest. You can also learn real estate investing. So these are 3 ways I currently make money right now. I'm making $6,000 to $7,000 a month. I've already come out with a video showing you how I was making $1,400 a week a little while back, and we're on pace to eventually get to $10K a month passive income through websites, through social media, and through real estate investing. So these 3 methods combined, I created these 3 training courses. You can go here to asknickfoy.teachable.com to check them out, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside when you enroll in them. Yo, before you go, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, Nick Foy TV. If you hover the lower right corner of your video right now, you're gonna see the little red subscribe button. When you hover that, it's gonna pop up that subscribe button, and it would mean a lot. I already appreciate you gave me your time, your attention today, but if you could also hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and smash the like button, as they all say in every YouTube video. So smash the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.